Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the ray tracing in dynamic paradigm in computer modeling and animation in Blender. What is meant by ray tracing? Ray tracing is nothing but it is a process when we are using the Blender render engine for displaying the output like cycles and EVs. There are two types of render engine. When we are using that, it is dealing with the exposure, the future advantages and with the detailing. Ray tracing is a powerful technique which is used in creating a realistic image through accurate simulation of light behavior. Moreover, the ray tracing, after using the Blender render engine, we need to use the ray tracing which is used for better realistic image through accurate light behavior. Introduction to render tracing. The render tracing is a powerful rendering technique used to photorealistic image by stimulating a light interaction. It evolution has opened up numerous applications across various fields. What is ray tracing? A rendering technique stimulating light interaction for realistic image. It is the ray tracing. Next is history of ray tracing, originating in 1960s, evolving with technology over the decades. Application of ray tracing. We are using the ray tracing in film architecture and product design for photorealistic images. The ray tracing is mostly depends upon the photorealistic image, which mostly stimulating with the light interaction. We are using in lot of applications, numerous number of applications with the various fields. Moreover, it is the light interaction between for the realistic images. According to that, we are using that in the film architecture and product design for photorealistic. The next is overview of cycles. What is cycle? Cycle is a Blender built-in ray tracing engine. We having two types of engine. One is cycle and one is EVs, which is render focus on realism and flexibility with high quality of the output. Moreover, render is the final stage of the Blender thing. When we need the output, we need to use the Blender render option for viewing the final stages of output. Next is key features. We are having the global illumination, accurate material simulation, and supports the light interaction and enhancing realism. User interface. The interface is used friendly, allowing an easy adjustment of settings, streamlining the rendering process. Moreover, the cycle is the render tracing engine, which plays a major role for focusing the video or film or image with realism and flexibility. Setting up a scene in Blender. Creating an object. In Blender, user can create and import an object using the various modeling techniques. After that, we can apply the materials in the render screen. By using the cycle, we can create the shader by the complex appearance with a mimic real world materials. Next is light techniques. We can use the various light sources like point, area and sun lamps for effective ray tracing. Rendering process. For rendering a final output, we need to process the three types of steps. The first one is render setting. We need to use the configure various render settings, including the resolution, sampling quality, and title size. Higher sample yield better quality but require more processing time. Preview the rendering. Cycle engine provides a real-time preview rendering, enabling artists to see the changes instantly. This feature accelerates the creative process by allowing iterative adjustment. The next is final render output. One satisfied user can perform a final render producing high resolution images or animation. Option for output formats are we can use the PNG, JPEG and OpenEXR for composing. Moreover, after following this 3 steps, we can see the final output by saving the file in our device. Optimization technique. This is a technique using with what are the changes or what is the quality and what is the thing we need to do with according to the Blender screen. Reducing render times. Techniques such as using lower sample rates for review, optimizing light path and utilizing tools can significantly reduce render times without sacrificing the quality. Moreover, whenever we are seeing the render output using that engine, it depends upon the it increase the most flexible time by reducing the render times by seeing with the most optimization light path and seeing in the low sample rates. Using GPU acceleration. The GPU is the rendering in a cycle. It can be speed up the rendering process. User should ensure this hardware is compatible and optimized for performance. The last one is scene management. When after creating the image or video or movie, the scene management is the most important thing, and the efficient scene management can be help maintaining the render performance, especially for complex scene with numerous elements.